Start well because we didn't have rain. We really had a lot of sun. The past 2 weeks we really had a lot of sun in this place. Yeah, but I think right now they are growing. You can see some here. They're trying to yeah. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Maj_KE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, we are moving out, guys. We are moving out, and I'm really happy. And I want to say God is good. Everything is going very fine, guys. I really love you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Wow. So I don't think that this is the first time I'm seeing this. The gate, like the white paint is going out. But anyway, guys, this is my home. This is where I live. I don't know if you can see the sun is coming from this side, guys. So yeah, let's go out, guys, and check. I'm going to get a clean shave, and then, guys, you guys keep on watching because we have nice things that are coming. We are going to see out of this village. See from here, guys. From here, this is my home, and we have a hospital over there. That is the biggest hospital. I don't know if you guys can see it. The biggest hospital in our village. Yeah. Wow. We are out, guys. Let's go and have a clean shave, and then I'll let you know where we are going to out of the village. Keep on tuned, guys. I just met Mopo going also out here. So it's been a minute him being on my channel. Maybe you can say hi to you guys.
Hello, beautiful people. Mopo back again, guys. My name is Mopo Africa. So today, actually, it has been so long without me appearing here, but I thank God that God has brought us again together, and we are so grateful. So it's a very good evening. You know, today we woke up. It was very chilly.
Yeah, exactly.
We just decided to stay indoors. For those who went to church, happy Sabbath.
And did you go to church today?
And the weather was not promising. You know, it was very cold today.
Oh, okay.
Today, that's why I never went to church. But I prayed inside my house. I prayed.
Yeah, exactly. You know, we always pray every day. When you wake up, when you sleep, you have to pray. Yeah, you have to pray for your yeah, you have to pray for your maybe your day, or whatever you're going to do, you have to pray. And yeah, of course. So guys, I really appreciate you guys. I think the last video we did with Nasto, my dad was opening a church. So so I'm really happy and humbled to
weather ndio nilikuwa naogopa ingebadilika.
Yeah, so guys, it's really amazing, and today is also a good day that I'm so happy. I'm leaving. We are leaving the village.
Sure.
Yeah. We are leaving the village day.
Yeah, you know, it's good. It's good when you get out of the village. You get exposed. To a new environment. You know? And when you interact with a lot of people, you get to open your mind, get new ideas about life. You see? So it's very good.
Shikamo. Yeah. Hey, vipi yangu? Hey. Oh, so it's you know, when you get to travel and to know new places, and try to explore more, you bring it back to the village. That is very good, because I think that has also opened the minds of a lot of people here in our village. Because in our village, because when you go out and come back, you come with different ideas and know how people live on the other side, and bring it back here in the village. Of course, we do travels and also like village vlogs. You have seen my videos where I have visited also Mopo, Africa, where he's working. We have gold and everything. That brings a lot of people to know. You know what I'm really doing is like to educate people there, and also to show people like, if this person does this, why not you? We are here to encourage each other. I'm not saying that you're not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to perfect what I'm doing. So educating anyone, especially youths out there, is the best thing, guys. So you can tell us down the comment section, what do you think about what I'm doing? Of course, human is to mistake. We are not cows. Yes,
we all learn from mistake. The Swahili say that kosa sio kosa, kurudia kosa ndio
kosa.
Like a mistake is not a mistake, but when you repeat the same mistake, that's what we call
that's a mistake.
Mistakes are meant to every human being. So we learn from them.
So guys, maybe Mopo Africa, what are the challenges that you face right now? We were doing YouTube, me and you, like we were supporting each other. Mambo Kopoa. We were doing YouTube, but now you're not maybe uploading. What reasons do you have?
Actually, it's about I'm kind of committed somewhere that I'm all like in a span of
you have days. A challenge.
Challenge is time, because I'm always committed somewhere, at least to bring something at the table. So I work, so that time to maybe do vlogs, I find that it's so limited. And also, even YouTube, you must have to be stable, kind of stable, because YouTube needs data. You see, it needs equipment. So there are things that I'm trying to meet, so that I'll say I'll come back fully prepared. And I believe that my fans, my family, Mopo family, they've always been looking for me. There's some people that, despite me not making content, they reach out to me and we're trying to figure it how I'll come like fire, like you see.
Even me sometimes, it's hard for me also to make contents, but I try my best, and do even one content in maybe 2 days. Maybe I miss 1 day or 2 days, but because of some reasons that we can't avoid. But guys, we're here for you, and we will be coming back and showing you good content. I believe you guys right now, from our contents, even not now, from before, like if you're watching from maybe Nairobi, you have never been to a village like this, something about the village, not even Nyabohanse village, but a village, something. You were born in Nairobi, but something from this kind of
and also it's like you get a chance to see how village life is, and also different part of the world. There are people that they cannot even get out. That
exactly.
much. Like getting out of his or her home is very difficult. So we give, like, it's a platform where we get to give people a chance to know the village, how Africans live, and God willing, we'll maybe explore better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yes.
We will be now traveling like
Yeah.
other people
Also
from
to know.
others.
Yeah. Also to know more about the
Yeah.
cities and everything. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy the videos that we do and you really get to learn from our village. So our village, not only our village, but we have some more villages that look like
Let's say that
yeah.
if in anything you want to know how it's done
Yeah.
in village,
Yes.
the village way,
Wow.
the village life. The village life, I think this is the best platform. Go subscribe to Maja_KE, Pope Africa. Subscribe to everyone who does a genuine job, you know.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah, not cornering,
Yeah.
not beating around the bush.
Yeah.
You get the small you get, it's genuine.
Yeah.
You get from your sweat.
Exactly, yes. Yeah, so guys, we are heading. This is our market, our small market here in the village, and yeah, this is where we have our small market, and we have a market that is going to be built over there.
Yeah.
You know, it's long since I saw this. You know, it's every day it's growing. They are building. We have a very big market that is coming up over there. Yeah, over there, guys. I don't know if they allow people to go there, but anyway, this is Nyamwasi village, guys. Keep watching and see how we explore our villages. Yo. Yeah, we have a friend here also.
Tunza Radio
Tunza Radio.
93.2
Yeah. Yeah, how are you?
Very fine.
Yes. We are just walking, having a walk.
Maybe, you know, he should at least introduce himself. You know, he's a radio presenter.
Radio presenter.
Yeah, maybe you can say something.
Yeah,
about
introduce
that.
yourself.
I'm a radio presenter at Tunza Radio. In Swahili, if you know Swahili, is 93.2, and in English is 93.2. Yeah, and I go by the name Nala Nala.
Nala Nala.
Nala Nala.
Yeah. Nala Nala.
It's like
Nala Nala. Yeah, but anyway, guys, he's also a brother. Yeah, a brother here in our village. Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes. Thank you, bro. Okay, so guys, keep on watching. Yeah, as I was telling you, this is a garden here. I think this is my Popo's also garden. He has scales and it's very beautiful and very nice. Really like the wall fence over here. It's very like unique. Even the gate is very unique, guys. And yeah, you know, I really like when people elevate to other like levels. So this I really believe this is something that keeps on the youths like maybe like when you see something like this, you see like when you are a youth and you see something like this, it motivates you. And I'm always telling you like I do some things to educate and maybe like teach you like nothing is impossible, guys. If you hear a story of Mopo from where I started, guys, you'll really like do even more. So guys, let's go in and see our people here. We have a very big compound and a very nice house over here. I'm really okay. This is my first time here and I'm really happy to be here, and I'm really proud of this guy because what he has done here is extravaganza. I think this is so nice, the best house that we have here in the village, one of the best. And I'm really happy and proud to be here and proud of my brother because, guys, you can see where Mapopo came from and where we brought him from to some place, and then is here. Me, I'm really happy and I've not been here because maybe of he's not around, I'm not around, but today we are here, guys, to see what Mopo has done. It has been long, and I'm really happy and proud of this, guys. This is what is coming up. So nice. Wow. So let's meet our brother Mopo and get to know how he feels about this. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice. Like even the perimeter wall is very like unique and very different from the others here, and also even I think from what for me I'm going to do is very different and very unique. When you're here, you can feel like you're abroad, something like that. So let's meet Mopo and get to know the inspiration and what he has been up to, and yeah, maybe everything. So I think Mopo is around here. Mopo, how are you?
I'm good. Where are you?
I'm here.
Village Buga.
Yes, this is Mopo.
1-on-1.
Yeah.
Yes, we are here.
On one, yes.
Bwana,
Are
you're
you?
putting the glasses, you look it's like Otile Brownie, bwana.
Me, I'm brown. Yeah.
You look it's like Otile Brownie, bwana.
Till brown, yes.
But me, I'm looking like a village man. Yes, how are you, bro?
I'm good.
Guys,
How have you been?
Come this side. Come this
How are
side because
you?
of the
Yes.
exactly.
The light is.
The light is corner, but at least here it looks so nice. Yeah, here is
Yes.
so good.
Yeah.
Yes, welcome, bro. Welcome so much. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Yeah,
It is
has
first
been
time, by the way.
minute. Yes.
First time. First time, yes.
I've been here.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Or
not
not even
first
to
time
make a
meeting.
video.
Yes, yes.
To make a video. It's first time to make a video to my place also.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think something like that.
exactly.
So let me say firstly that welcome so much for the first time, guys. Turn this. Yes.
Yes.
For
You know-
coming to my place, to my home. Yeah, actually, I'm so very happy. Yes, guys, you know, it is like the time Nasto will come to visit me. You know, I was very happy more than because remember you was my teacher before.
Yeah, me and Nast. Like I brought this guy a calendar from I think Nairobi.
Yeah.
Some of our one of our subscriber
Subscriber.
sent me to Mopo, so I brought a calendar and we were teaching Mopo like A B C D.
Yeah.
ABCD.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why I'm thinking that I'm so happy
Yeah.
to see you reach my place. You come
Yeah.
to my place. Actually, because me, I'm your student. So now you see where I
Yeah,
am.
yeah.
You know, so actually, I'm so happy so much, and thank you so much, by the way, for continue to take me hand the time I was struggle to talk English. You know, but you teach me, you struggle word to word. So actually, I'm so happy and feel at home because this is your home, is my home, is your home also.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, this is Mopo. We started it's a long journey. We started like me,
for sure.
Mopo, and Nasto, and everyone who was in our journey. We really appreciate that, and we really appreciate you guys for supporting Mopo, because I can see the progress here. It's very good because
Thank you.
Mopo has come from a very humble background. And now here, yeah, and God is good.
Yeah,
and,
for sure.
See Mopo now is glowing.
Yeah,
You're glowing, bro.
I walk forward.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm normal, but at least by the way, thanks so much, God, because I know where I came from. Actually, these steps I reach now is very big steps for me, and I really appreciate God for this blessing.
Yeah.
You know, it's not easy. There's a lot of people who will need to be looked like me, but so I can't blame for these steps I'm reaching. Actually, I must appreciate for 100%. Yeah.
And guess you know, Mopo is not like he just came from nowhere and now being here. He has really struggled being a mason,
Exactly.
being being a handman.
Yeah.
Being here is not easy.
No,
So
for sure.
how do you tell people where you came from and until here? Did you know that today you'll own a place like this?
Actually, is for me is like a miracle. For me is like a miracle. But actually, I can't give up, and I can't forget to tell everyone that if you believe in God and you live in your faith, everything it will look so very impossible. You know, through God,
Everything is possible.
is it possible? Yeah,
Yes.
something like that.
Yes.
So that's why I'm saying that everything here I have is through God, because for me, even me now, I'm shocked that this is reality, because I was working 2 years ago, bro. You remember I was working at Ayamarwa there. I was working in Jengo. I carried cement to my shore there. You know, I mixed cement with sand. You know, I was working. I have payment 400. It's like a $4 $4 per day. Imagine. So this time now I called at least I called my pop. I have place to stay with my family. I have my mansion, this big mansion, bro. Actually, I respect for, like, I don't know, I don't have much to say, bro. Actually,
Yeah,
I'm so happy.
that is very good, and I'm really happy for Mopo. And it's not like we are not good. We always meet, but off the camera we always meet.
But
And,
by the way, off camera, all the to our ground here. We are together like a family. You know, we stay together. You know, we talk, like we have a discussion about our life journey, our life story. You know, but to have a time to make our videos together, actual vlog like this, actually it was very hard, because of we are busy to have time. Remember, even my brother is traveling to go in Uganda, where Nairobi, so that me I was saying this place here, so that. But see, I think so much good now.
I remember the first time you were going to Nairobi, you told me, "Hey, bro, even me, I want to go to Nairobi." I told you, "You go to Nairobi and experience." And you are like so happy to go to Nairobi, and that is very good, because you know, we really have fun, and seeing people elevating to heights like this, traveling and doing all that, and also building. You know, we really feel happy.
Yeah, for sure. Bro, actually, I don't have much to say about that, but the reality is, bro, this is serious I talking about. Actually, I was I was a young man, village man. I was a village boy, you know. So that the time I come in,
You are still a village boy.
no,
Like,
at least now, I'm
yes.
I have some experience, to travel, like for the big city like Nairobi and Dar es Salaam, Mombasa, you know, Kisumu. You know, I have experience now. Even now, I can talk anywhere, but I without to fear anything. You know.
Yeah, exactly.
But before I was walking in city
In
like
a
this.
fear.
So actually, it's true God, bro. It's true God. You know, actually, bro, I don't have much to say, but the advice to you who you watching video, actually, don't give up to your life journey. Maybe in your business, in your marriage, in your family, don't give up. You never know.
You never know tomorrow.
Yes.
Maybe tomorrow is you.
Yeah, God is only who will know tomorrow for you. So that don't give up, and keep in your prayer, and God will know you. God remember you. The first of you must to take faith.
Yeah.
Faith, believe in God, and faith. Your faith is a way you'll be passing. Your faith is doors. Your faith is everything. So that the place you have a faith, you want to do something, but in your faith is said is, can you do it? And do, because God will bless it. So that I struggled to earn on YouTube, to open a YouTube channel, and now I'm reaching like that. I live in here, you know. Now I call rich man. Yeah, actually in this village, when someone call me, I want to collect together with rich man. Yeah, even me, somebody call
one
me
of
that.
them.
I'm one of them.
Exactly. So guys, kindly, if you haven't checked on Mopo, I know you guys from here, you have checked on Mopo, because you guys you have seen me with Mopo and a lot of Mopo, Mayugno, Mnasto, and everyone. We are all like.
By the way, me, I'm a grandson to Ayamarwa, but my father, remember, you are my teacher. I don't call you my father, because okay, I know that you open a YouTube channel before me. Is it okay? It's true. Yes, but you are my teacher, not that you are. But my father is Mayugno, but my grandfather is Marwa. So you are my teacher with you. No, you are a young teacher, but my master, my head teacher of the master, head teacher is Nasto. It's not you. Head teacher guys is Nasto. Is the one who was teaching me English, guys. How can writing even a message? Hi. How are you? I was never know even to talk, even any points like wow, oh my god, bro. There's a lot of story you can talk about that, but actually thank you by the way for visiting me for the first time. And I promise you, and I beg, I need again that welcome again and welcome again and again, because if you come also you make me happy, and I remember where I came from. Also you push me, you make me to be strong, you know, to know that oh, my family is here. So very amazing.
Exactly. Yeah, so guys, it's a long story, but to cut it short, guys, subscribe to Mopo. Maybe we will be not maybe. You invite me now to give me a tour. A tour in your house. Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm ready.
Yeah.
This is entrance house. Yeah. Where we need to start it. Where we can start it from.
We can start from the gate. I really love the gate, guys.
Okay.
From that place, from that point, I think the sun is, but I think you can see from there.
Yeah.
Guys, the gate is very unique, and this is one of the
as a Nigerian, sorry, South Africa, no, South Africa. Okay, I have this design from South Africa, but this someone who he give me the idea is from Jamaica. Yeah, so it's an idea from Jamaica, but there's a copy we have from South Africa.
Yeah, so that was the idea behind the multi-million gates. Multi-million gate, guys, in
it's so
Africa.
expensive, bro. This is not normal gate, bro. I'm telling you.
Normal.
And you never see anywhere that someone put that gate like this. I'm telling you. Go anywhere. Tell me the truth. I know that you have visited a lot of people, rich man, YouTubers, but you can see this design. If you have you see an end gate like this, it has copied to me. I'm telling you.
Copied.
Copied to me.
Yeah. Maybe we have our friend here also
who
has.
My word is choking me. Like I want to talk.
This is my sister. Is my best friend also. Yeah, she come to visit me also with she's friend. Come this side. Yes, so we is from some few times.
I'm called Fancy_1. Please guys, if you are from Maja side, please, my humble request, go look for Fancy_1. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Fancy_1. Please take me somewhere. Take me to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I'll appreciate. And I've already appreciated even before. So, Maja, thank you for welcoming me to your YouTube channel. I salute you.
Just
And we have taken a video with Maja. And now I'm in Maja's video. Please go look me. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm still young and I need to grow.
You're young?
Yeah, I'm still young.
How old?
I'm older than Maja, but I'm still young in YouTube. Maja is bigger than me. So I need you to take me somewhere. Take me to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I'll appreciate. And I've already appreciated even before you subscribed. Take me somewhere. Your subscription will take me somewhere. Your viewers will take me somewhere. Go look for Fancy_1. Watch till the end. Love you guys. Thank you, Maja.
Yeah, thank you so much also for being on my channel. And we have also, today Mopo is blessed with visitors.
Amen.
Yes. Yeah.
I greet you all, ladies and gentlemen. For now, I'm called Rael Lee.
For now?
Yeah.
Why for now?
My name. And even today, Mopo advised me to change that name again. So I'm going to announce my official name. But for now, I'm called Rael Lee. And thank you, Village Buga. I hope that's your name.
Yeah, they call me the Village Buga. Of course, I'm the Village Buga, but my official name is Maj_KE. My people know, and everyone knows. But that is like a
nickname.
A nickname,
Okay.
a Village Buga, yeah.
Okay. For me, I think I like calling you Village Buga.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me for your YouTube channel. And my viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go check up for Village Buga. Also check up on me. I'm called Rael Lee. That's the name that Mopo told me. That's a long
Rael
name.
Lee.
Rael Lee.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But I advise don't change your name too much. Like every single time you're changing your name, just be yourself. Just put one name and a short name, or rather like a name that will suit you. Like, but very short for someone to maybe when
Read,
you
maybe,
yeah
even
maybe
to type.
yeah, exactly.
That is I'm a upcoming YouTuber. I don't know much things about YouTube.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here. You guys can hold my hands and help me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can even use that re.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Okay.
re. It's okay for someone to maybe when I type like I want to find re, just re. Yeah. So
Check it.
yeah. So that is my own opinion. Maybe your opinion will maybe my opinion will not matter
To me.
to you.
But
So
I like
it's
hearing some advice.
advice. So that is my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, and also you can get Mopo's opinion. It's okay. It's for you.
She's
To-
To decide.
to decide, yes.
mention the
For the
name.
third time.
Don't mention the name we want to do it,
Okay.
because already
I'm not
you
going
don't
to
do
mention
it.
it, yeah.
So that maybe if you talking, you never know. Maybe there's someone inside you want to change the name, and maybe can
can-
like your name, and you can take it. So that you
No,
just
Yeah.
relax.
I didn't mention.
Yeah, text the mention the names you use now, you have now, and then that after some few days, some few times, you'll be changed.
And you know, Mopopo, changing names will also confuse subscribers, because
Exactly.
when you change, today you have the other name,
Yeah.
tomorrow you have another name.
Guys, let me
You will
explain.
confuse
Exactly.
your people.
Yes,
like
exactly.
just be straight. Put one
Now,
name.
what's your
Go
name
with
now?
it.
Rael.
Lyle, guys, the Lyle,
Rail, yes.
Lyle. Okay, now there is something has happened for this name. Is like a copyright, because there's she share with the other one.
Yeah, you can. When you get when you put the name and you have a person who you are sharing with, you just put something like underscore maybe. Yeah, underscore one, underscore. Yeah, exactly.
No, she has that underscore.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has that underscore. She was
Matinde
Matinde
underscore M.
underscore M. Yeah.
And it's not working.
My sister. I will teach.
But I think that one, anyway,
I will teaching her.
anyway, guys,
because I
we're
have
just
experience
learning.
about that.
Yeah.
She's starting it now. She don't know how we do it. So
Yeah,
we know.
exactly.
Okay, we helping her, but not online. We talk behind
The camera, yes.
Yeah.
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 But it's okay. It's okay,
no
guys.
problem.
Subscribe to her channel.
Yeah,
Subscribe to
Now
also
she-
her
now she
channel.
calls-
Subscribe to
Yeah.
Nancy underscore one.
And
Yeah,
she called
exactly.
now
Rael.
Rairi.
Yeah.
Rairi.
Rail.
Rael Lee.
Rail Lee.
Yeah.
Say Laheli.
Rahel Lee.
Mapo, you're confusing our viewers, you know.
Rahel Lee.
Rahel Lee.
Yeah.
Rahel Lee.
no, exactly. Let me tell you
Okay.
something.
It sounds
Okay.
like that.
Yes,
Laheli.
Laheli.
Rahel
Not
Lee.
Laheli. So when you said Laheli, Laheli like it sounded like maybe is R A.
Yeah. Say
Alafu
it.
I.
Spell the word.
R
Uh-huh.
E A L. And then
Slowly.
Okay.
Yes.
I talk too fast, you know.
Yeah.
R
Uh-huh.
E A L.
Oh, Rael.
Yeah.